What's up you guys, it's Judy here with My Life as Geek-Eye and welcome to episode number 8 in my How to Makeup for Beginners Back to Basics series. We're going to be talking about that dreaded step, how to apply eyeliner. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Geek-Eye family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. In last week's video, I showed you how to apply this natural, easy makeup look using only 2 eyeshadows and using only 2 brushes as well. I'm going to leave the playlist of this series linked in the description box down below so you can go check out any of the other videos in this series if you so desire. Now that we have our eyeshadow down, eyeliner is the next step. Everybody loves a good winged eyeliner, right? But everybody hates to apply it. For most beginners in makeup, it is the one step that it can be incredibly frustrating and take a while to master, and that's okay. It took me a long time and years of practice to master the art of eyeliner, and even now I still sometimes fuck it up. For those of you who are beginners in makeup, I'm going to be showing you how to apply winged eyeliner. There's a plethora of ways, techniques, methods, and tools with which to apply winged eyeliner. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I discovered to be the easiest way to apply my winged eyeliner, because in truth, there is not one proper technique of applying eyeliner because we all have different eye shapes, different skin types, different eyelid types, and different eye shapes, and different preferences in products. But first of all, let's talk about eye shape. Every flick of eyeliner will need to be applied and will look different depending on each eye shape. Just because a long ass wing on an almond shaped eye looks good on them doesn't mean it'll look good on you if you have more doll shaped or droopy eyes. So my number one hack for having a perfect winged eyeliner is really in the tool that you use. It's finding the tool that you feel like you have the most control with, because that is how you get a good winged eyeliner. The problem that most people have is that they're not in control of their tool or their product. So that's my number one tip, is to find a product or a tool that works best for you, that you feel you have the most control over. So there are different types of tools. There's angled brushes, there's felt markers, there are fine tipped ink pens, all different kinds of tools on the market that you can use. If you already have one that works for you, then that is absolutely fantastic. Now, my personal favorite eyeliner of choice is this Maybelline Master Graphic eyeliner. Unfortunately, this particular eyeliner has been discontinued, but if you can find a product on the market that has the same angled tip as this, then all your eyeliner troubles may possibly be at end, because I find that this type of felt tip eyeliner makes it incredibly easy for me to apply a very sharp winged eyeliner. While these eyeliners have been discontinued, I believe, in the shops, I still do purchase and stock up on this eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite, from an Amazon listing, which if I can find, I will leave listed in the description box down below. If you're a beginner in makeup, then I definitely recommend that you check out that link and you try using this eyeliner, because I found it is so incredibly easy to apply a winged eyeliner with this product. So again, I'm going to leave that link in the description box down below so you can go check it out if you want to. On the other hand, if that listing is no longer available, I will do my best to try and search for a product that has a similar tip and also leave that linked in the description box down below. I want to make this eyeliner application journey as easy and stress-free for you as possible. Now I'm going to show you how I apply my eyeliner. I like to start in my inner corner and start with as fine of a line as I can get. Remember to start slow and to breathe and to know that you are in control. Here's a tip. When you're drawing along your lash line, let the pen / marker / brush move fluidly along the curve of your eyeball. This way you'll create the perfect liner that suits the shape of your eye. Once I've laid down the liner along my eyelid, I then create my wing. With the fine tip of my marker, I bring it lightly to where I want the end of my flick to be and connect it with my existing eyelid eyeliner. From here, then I fill in the under part of that flick according to my eye shape. All that's left now is to fill in the liner. I'm also very careful to press the pen into my lash line so that there are no gaps between my lashes and the liner. You can also thicken and intensify the eyeliner as you wish, but also remember that as a beginner in makeup, start as thin as you possibly can, and chances are it'll end up a little bit thicker than you wanted it to be. So start thin and build it up from there. Sometimes because of the movement of my eyelid, or because my skin isn't as tight as it used to be, or because I now have wrinkles, or for whatever reason, sometimes you'll find that there are jagged parts to your eyeliner. This is not a huge issue. It's pretty easy to fix. Making sure that your eyelid is relaxed, I take the very finest tip of the pen and very lightly use this to fix the jagged edges. Another huge help I've found is to relax your eyelid as much as you can. Having it squinted or pulled tight will create unnatural shapes that your eye isn't, and when you release the tension, you won't end up with eyeliner appropriate to the natural shape of your eyes. So just relax, breathe, and remember that practice makes perfect. And that is that. I know applying winged eyeliner can be incredibly stressful and frustrating, but remember that practice makes perfect. Everybody who can now apply a perfectly winged eyeliner, remember that once upon a time they had their first time applying eyeliner as well, and I can bet you that it didn't go very well. So just remember that practice makes perfect, and using the right tool for you will also provide you with less stress and frustration in learning how to apply your winged eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune into next week's episode where I show you how to apply mascara. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Geekai. Be sure to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos that I put out every single week and the further episodes that are coming in this series. Again, I'm going to leave the playlist of this series linked in the description box down below so you can use any of the other videos as reference for when you are wanting to know how to apply each certain step of your makeup application. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video.